Hello everyone. Welcome to today's Revit tutorial. In this video, we will cover how to render in Revit for the best possible results. I'll walk you through the entire process, from setting up the camera, choosing the right render settings, to saving the final output. So, make sure to watch until the end. The first step is to create a camera view. Go to the View tab, then under 3D View, select Camera. Place the camera on your floor plan according to your desired viewpoint. After that, adjust the crop view so that your camera captures the model properly. You can also change the graphic display to shaded or any other mode you prefer. Once the camera view is set, go to the View tab and select Render. Within the render settings, there are several options you can configure. There is a region option that allows you to crop the rendered area. You can adjust the region by dragging the corners of the selection box. However, in this case, I will not use the region setting. There are multiple quality options such as Draft, Medium, High, Best, and even a custom setting. The higher the quality, the more detailed the render will be. However, keep in mind that higher quality settings require more computing power and take longer to render. Under Resolution, you have two options: Screen and Printer. Screen renders based on the crop view you set earlier. Printer provides different resolution options such as 75 dpi, 150 dpi, 300 dpi, and 600 dpi. The higher the dpi, the larger the image size. In the lighting section, there are several scheme options for both exterior and interior rendering. Under Sun settings, you can customize the location, date, time, and other parameters. You can also use the preset settings provided by Revit for easier configuration. The background style option allows you to select different sky appearances such as no clouds, very few clouds, very cloudy. Additionally, you can change the background color, add your own image, or set a transparent background for post-editing in Photoshop or other editing software. After the rendering process is complete, you can adjust exposure control to refine the final look. You can modify exposure value, highlight, shadow, saturation, and white point to enhance the image quality. Once you are satisfied with the render, you can save it to your project by clicking Save to Project. The rendered view will then appear in the project browser. You can also export the render as JPG, PNG, bitmap, or TIFF. After selecting your preferred format, click Save, and that's how you render in Revit. By understanding these settings, you can achieve more realistic and high-quality renders for your projects. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more Revit tutorials. See you in the next video.